What's up, guys? Linda. Linda has a travel bug here to show you another hotel or hotel, Holiday Inn. This one's called a Niu, and it is in Frankfurt, Germany. The hotel room number is 517. And come on in. Let me show you around. It's kind of a funky looking place. Ah, it worked. Oh my gosh. And there again, you have to, of course, put the card in to turn the lights on. All right, so come on in. I've already made a huge mess, but that's to be expected. If I'm actually going to show you and tell you what I think about the hotel, I actually have to stay here, right? So yeah, so the first thing I noticed when I came in, obviously, is the very cute 80s theme. It's like kind of pink and blue and it's very cute, and it has like a little bar area. There is no oven or stove or anything like that, but there is a microwave, which really, really helps a lot. So you don't have to go out to eat. You can just go get a frozen meal, at your local 7-Eleven type place. But yeah, but what's interesting to me is these cabinets. I'm not really sure what this is for. Besides, there's a little mini refrigerator, which is good, but the rest is just storage. Lots and lots of storage. I just don't understand what all this is supposed to be if there's only a sink and a microwave and a mini fridge, right? And this is the trash. Yeah, they always have very, very tiny trash cans. I really don't understand that either. I mean, I make a lot of trash, and I've got to, as you can see, trash. But anyway, so come over here. There are more shelves. I mean, I don't know how. I mean, I guess if you're going to camp out here, I guess you would need the shelves. I love the mirror. This is great. I can actually see what I look like when I change into clothes and stuff. The last hotel, there was very little places to look at yourself. Not that I want to look at myself, but anyway, so here's some more storage area. I mean, this is a lot. I mean, I don't know what they're expecting in here, but a safe, which I did not use the entire time. These are really cute. The lights. There's not a whole lot of light in here, but I mean, it's cute. The beds, just standard. I will say one thing though, I had a very hard time sleeping, very hard, even with a pillow topper underneath. It is incredibly hard. So if you're trying to get some sleep and you have trouble with the hard mattresses, you don't want to stay here. But if you like that kind of thing, then you'll love it. Like I said, Germany loves everything to be hard, including hard mattresses and just making everything difficult. But anyway, so back to the room. This is a great TV. It's a nice size TV. It's got the 80s look yet again. Plenty of seating. And I will say that this right here surprised me. I sat down and I thought it was going to be hard, but it was nice and relaxing and squishy. So I was very thankful for that. And my sciatica thanks it as well. So yeah, very small room. You can open up the window if you like, because it is very stuffy in here. There is no AC that I'm aware of. So yeah, it's pretty soundproof, which is excellent. You don't have to worry about getting woke up, although I think we're the only ones on this floor. And not a lot of people are here. So come on into the bathroom where you have to actually, weird light situation here. But the shower was okay. It was a little wacky, but I liked a soap dish. That was nice. The soap, they put barely any soap in there, and you have to actually squeeze it. I mean, I felt like a monkey trying to figure it out, but you have to squeeze it. There you go. See? And let's see. Oh, and the door right here, it keeps shutting on me. So if, see, it doesn't stay open, which I don't know if that's a foundation issue or what, but it's a really cute bathroom. I mean, look at the wallpaper or I guess it's wallpaper. Yeah, it's really cute. And look at that little trash can. Oops, somebody didn't flush. Oops. Look at that little trash can. It's so cute. And these big knobs. Okay, so plenty of towels. There's not much to add. Oh, and this blow dryer, it's stuck on the wall with some electrical tape, which kind of scared me when I used this. But it works. Not very well, though. I had to flat iron my hair afterwards because it kind of made my hair very fuzzy, frizzy, or whatever. Oh, looks like there's more stuff under here that you could put something. I mean, they really do have a lot of storage. I mean, it's insane. Absolutely insane. So, yeah, I guess that's it. We did go to the sauna, which I'll show you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm here kind of in the basement of the Niu in Frankfurt, Germany, if you didn't already know. But anyway, so this you have to actually reserve a day in advance, and you get the sauna all by yourself. So that's kind of a cool thing. Anyway, so come on in, let me show you. There's a bathroom and area. They actually have a shower. I mean, that's not bad. I mean, it's kind of small, but you're gonna get it all by yourself. Little place to lay around and get some sun, I guess. I don't know, maybe the roof opens because who knows in Germany. You have a rack for your coat, I guess. And then this little sauna right here. Come on in. It's really hot. I mean, it's really, really hot. So, I mean, it's burning up. Look at those hot coals. And what's cool is like, you can actually put some steam on this bitch. Not bad. So, not sure what those things are. It looks like speakers, but
it's a light.
Yeah, so yeah, this is it. And I think that's an emergency button just in case you were about to pass out and die, which I can see happening very easily. Ah, there's that again that we keep forgetting about. They actually have that. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. But you get the place all by yourself, so I think that's definitely a win for an hour. And we have about 15 minutes left, and I'm going to enjoy this for a little longer. Oh, and we got breakfast. I'm not sure exactly how much it was, and it was okay. Lots of cheeses and breads, of course, and salami and cereal and lots of coffee. That's what we mainly had. So, but yeah, so that's it. Hope you got something out of this. Lots of storage. If you need to store some stuff, come on over to the Niu Holiday Inn by IHG. All right, signing off. Bye. Okay, hey guys, quick note. If you are into voyeurism, come right over here and I'll show you what I mean. Everywhere you look, there are people in these cubicles, and this one lady keeps staring at us, and I'm not really sure why, because it's not like we're doing anything weird. But yeah, there's been a few that have looked into our room, and we can look and see them too. So yeah, if you're into that, great. If not, I probably wouldn't get this room, or I'd at least use the curtains, close the curtains. Yeah. All right. Bye.